Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about disadvantages of NLP. Here are the key disadvantages of NLP, clearly organized and easy to use for videos, presentations, or writing. 1. Language ambiguity. Human language can be confusing because the same words or sentences can have more than one meaning. This makes it hard for NLP systems to always understand exactly what is being said. For example, a word like bank could mean the side of a river or a place where we keep money, and the computer has to figure out which one is correct. 2. Struggles with context and nuance. NLP systems sometimes have trouble understanding the deeper meaning of language. They may not easily recognize sarcasm, jokes, emotions, or cultural references, things that humans usually understand naturally. This can make it difficult for computers to fully grasp what a person is really trying to say in certain situations. 3. Requires large, high-quality data. NLP systems need a lot of clean and organized information to work well. They rely on huge amounts of labeled text or speech so they can learn patterns and understand language accurately. Collecting and preparing this data takes a lot of time, effort, and money, which can make building NLP systems challenging. 4. Bias in training data. If the information used to teach an NLP system has stereotypes or unfair ideas, the computer will learn them too. As a result, the system can give biased or unfair answers. This is why it is very important to use balanced and carefully checked data when training NLP models, so they treat everyone fairly and accurately. 5. High computational cost. Advanced NLP systems need very powerful computers and a lot of processing power to learn and work properly. Training these models and running them can use a huge amount of resources, which can be expensive for many organizations. This is one reason why building and maintaining NLP systems can be challenging. 6. Difficulty handling informal or incorrect language. NLP systems can get confused by language that is not standard. This includes slang, spelling mistakes, regional dialects, mixed languages, or casual texting styles. Because of these variations, the computer may misunderstand the meaning, which can make its responses less accurate. 7. Limited understanding of rare or domain-specific terms. NLP systems can struggle with words or phrases that are not common in everyday language. In specialized fields like medicine, law, or science, the computer may not understand technical terms correctly unless it has been trained on a large amount of data specific to that field. Without this specialized training, its performance can be limited. 8. Privacy and security risks. NLP systems often work with sensitive information, such as emails, conversations, or important documents. If this data is not handled carefully, it can lead to privacy problems or even data breaches. This is why protecting personal and confidential information is very important when using NLP technology. 9. Potential for misuse. NLP technology can sometimes be used in the wrong way. For example, it can create harmful content such as fake news, spam messages, misinformation, or messages pretending to be someone else. This is why it is important to use NLP responsibly and carefully to make sure it helps people instead of causing problems. 10. Complex to build and maintain. NLP systems are not easy. It requires knowledge of language, linguistics, and machine learning. Even after building the system, it needs regular updates because language keeps changing over time. In short, while NLP provides many powerful benefits, its limitations, such as challenges with data, context, bias, cost, and ethical use, must be carefully managed to ensure it works responsibly and accurately. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Leave a comment with your question. And do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.